Welcome to Alford Ranchette Estates. This is a rural community located in central Texas where the sunrises are pristine and the sunsets are breathtaking. This lot features county road frontage and it has water and electric available. I think you're going to love it. This land tract is approximately 16 acres and it's located in Gatesville, Texas. Gatesville is known as the Spur Capital of Texas and it's considered the gateway to the Texas Hill Country. This acreage has spectacular countryside views with gentle and rolling topography and elevation changes up to 1,100 feet. The sunrises and sunsets out here are breathtaking. This property has paved county road frontage and it's fenced on one side. The other thing that's great about this property is it already has water and electric available. You can just build your forever dream home or use it as a place to get away and relax and forget about the hustle and bustle of life. Hi, I'm Kim Hill. I'm the owner and broker of United Country Hill Country Pros. I believe that land is the best investment that you could ever make. Every one of my agents is passionate about land as well, and they're very qualified to walk you through a land transaction. We all own land and we're passionate about the land and being stewards of it. Give us a call and we'll set up a private tour for this property or any other one that we can help you with.